Today I'm gonna be showing you an easy way to do your baby's hair. My daughter is 10 months old and I'm gonna be showing you in less than 10 minutes how to do a simple hairstyle on your baby. First, you need a distraction. As you see, she already has her ducky, so I'm gonna saturate her hair with just water. The water is not warm and she's not even scared, so. Distraction number 2, you're gonna need a couple of distractions. Okay. Now, once her hair is fully saturated, I'm gonna gently spread out the water. Now, my product of choice is gonna be the Camille Rose Natural Leave-In Detangler. It's not specifically for babies, but anything you put in your hair, you should be able to put it in your baby's hair. That's why you should use gentle product. And I read the ingredient of that product, and everything is natural and mild, so it's okay for her hair. So as you can see, her hair is pretty long for just 10 months, and this is her curl pattern. She has curly hair, as you can see. She has very, very curly hair. You can use this hairstyle, you can use this hair product to do a wash and go on your baby if you wanted to. I could have just left it like that. You see? Okay. But we're gonna get started. I'm gonna part the back of her hair. And I'm touching her hair gently. She's already used to me doing her hair, so that's why she's not even fussing. Okay. And then now we're gonna gently comb it into a ponytail. Once it's fully detangled, I don't brush her hair because I don't feel like it needs to be. Her hair is already curly, so that's enough tension. Once it's thoroughly calm, I'll get a rubber band. A small tiny rubber band. I'll put it in my mouth. Do the ponytail. And here you have it. That's for the back. Now for the front. to sample bun. And this is how I do her baby hair. All done. And this is how you do a sample hairstyle for your baby.